And more breaking news coming in at this moment. IDF has dismantled Iran missile launchers. IRGC commander was eliminated in the drone strike. IDF foils missile attack and destroys launchers. So the exchange of missiles continue from both Israel and Iran, and IDF has now dismantled Iran missile launchers. And one IRGC commander has been eliminated in the drone strike. IDF has foiled missile attack and it has destroyed the launchers coming in from Iran. So situation in the Middle East continues to unfold, and the tensions in the Middle East, the Western Asia region continues to escalate. There is a threat of nuclear conflict entering a nuclear zone as well, but Iran making it very clear that it is not going to discuss its nuclear program at the United Nations. So Iran making it very clear. So both sides are sticking to their stand as the conflict lingers on. Meanwhile, Iran has officially filed a complaint against IAEA Director General Rafael Grossi, alleging biased approach towards its nuclear program that Iran claims is a peaceful nuclear activity. In the complaint, Iran accused that IAEA head was violating the agency's neutrality and condoning Israel's military action against Iran's nuclear program. So official